What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Feels good to be back on another glorious Sunday. And I just fucked up. I forgot to turn my mic on. I keep forgetting. I just did like, I'm glad I didn't get too far. So I just said, stop, Matt. Look at the microphone. It wasn't even on. So now I gotta do this all over again. But before we get to the unboxing, let's get to what this video is gonna be about. But before that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a video. As you all know, if you're new, I drop videos every Sundays at 12 p.m. And yeah, and I'm gonna start dropping way more videos more frequently come next year, because 2020 is gonna be a heater year for me. The channel gonna grow. Y'all gonna be a part of the channel as well. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. I'll let y'all know what I mean probably this week coming up. I have a video up letting you all know what's gonna go on next year on my channel and what to expect. So I got some stuff from Killa, I got some stuff from Human Made, and I want to show you all what I got from Killa since I already unpacked it and I was just talking about it and I screwed up. Thank God I stopped myself. Also follow me at Instagram at macxi.exe. That's mac11.exe, so XI11 Roman numerals. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all what I got from Killa and what I got from Human Made. I got some dope ass shit. Killa is way different than Human Made, so you'll see the difference. Well, if you know Human Made, you'll see the difference when it comes to Killa. Killa is more of that, like that street, like really streetwear, like folk society type shit, FTP type of style. So yeah, let's get right to the unboxing since I already opened these damn shorts like an idiot. Let's get right to it. All right, since I already opened the shorts up, I'm gonna show y'all that first. I didn't open the shirt yet, but let's get to the shorts. So the I said shorts. So these are shorts that I got right there. See that right off? Right off. So on the shorts, on the right side, which is right here, it said death around the corner, 66602 with some bullet holes in the skull. And on this side, let me step over her. Y'all see B-roll regardless. It says Killa with a pistol and an AK-47, and it said death around the corner on, well, it say I see death around the corner on the left side of the shorts. And these ain't just no like champion shorts, these are actually like thick cotton. I think it's 80% cotton, 20% polyester. So these are really thick cotton. They remind me of my Adidas shorts that I got. They were pretty much similar to the Adidas shorts that I got. So these gonna be real like these are perfect for like, especially for this time of year. It's cold, it's just perfect just sitting inside the house just chilling and, you know, bundling it up and just wear something like this. So yeah, I had to cop these shorts, worth copping, and bro, keep the heaters coming. And I will be having these in rotation, wearing these around the house all the time. I need more shorts. You can't go wrong with shorts. You can't go wrong with shorts. So that's it for the first one from Killa. So let's get to the second item. So the second item is this shirt. The bag is the shirt, so you gotta like that. I'm just kidding. So yeah, so this is a shirt that I got, and I think I got this in a XL because these sold out in a large, I think. Yeah, these sold out pretty quick, and it's just a low-key brand that I just came across on Instagram, and I've been following them ever since. I've been watching homie. Like, I'm always watching things that I'm interested in or intrigued by to learn more about. Yeah, and I got this in the XL, and this is a tearaway tag. I will be ripping the tag off. I'll just do it now. There it is, tag on. So this is the 1XL, and this is the tee that I got. This is something different. I'm telling you, this is nowhere in the same vein of Human Made when it comes to the graphics. So as you already seen with the short. So this is like out there, especially for me to be like wearing. It says Killa, and it says flirt with death, and at the bottom it says come visit me in hell, and it says October 1666 with the 6 on the I guess the Grand Reaper's skull. I don't know, bro. Like, normally I don't wear stuff like this. I really don't, because I don't know. I really don't, but I can see myself wearing it with like a flannel or a bomber jacket. It shows the Grand Reaper basically, you know, holding a woman up in his hands, and she's pretty much dead and her titties are out. Should I blur that out? I don't know if I get in trouble for it. Why would I get in trouble for it when you got like these rappers and shit, like these women rappers like throwing their ass all around on their videos and shit? So this is the tee that I got. Just a simple fit that I can throw together with this. Really dope shirt, homie, keep it up. I will be buying more stuff. Again, this channel is like mostly Human Made, but I will be talking about other brands besides Human Made. So I'll sprinkle some brands in here and there. with the Human Made unboxings as well, because I figured that I did like a video like doing an unboxing of this brand, and it didn't really get that many views as I thought. And so I'm just add this in with the Human Made unboxing so more people would see it and go to that brand and check it out. So it just make more sense to add this in with the Human Made content. So I hope y'all like that shirt, because I like it, and I will be copying more again for Killa Coat. Again, go follow them on Instagram. I'm pretty sure I already posted up, or the link will be down below in the description. So with that being said, let's get to the Human Made shit. Okay, so from Human Made, I got this off of GRAILED. Let me turn it down. No, you don't have to worry about seeing what's on here, because don't worry about it. So in this package, I had the, I ain't gonna say it, but I had the other keychain. I had the duck keychain, but I seen this on GRAILED for like a very low price compared to everybody else's prices on GRAILED. I'm like, I guess I'll just go ahead and buy it, and you know, just buy it and just call it a day, since it's cheap compared to everybody else's prices. Damn, bro, really put a lot of tape on them motherfuckers. Did. So this, oh, he came with a package too. So let me turn. Damn, that shit got dark. So it come in the normal Human Made polymetal bags. There they're out. Right there. Focus. There it is. That's too dark. That's fine. So what I got from GRAILED on a resale. Yeah, he bagged it inside another bag. God damn, bro, dang. Get it cracked on. So Jesus, another bag? Oh, 3 bags I just had to do. But I appreciate it though, homie, if you're watching this, the person I bought it from. So this is the keychain that I caught from GRAILED, which is the polar bear keychain. Y'all had the duck one, and I sold that and made a nice little flip. I made like, I think like $60 on that damn duck keychain. It would probably cost like $10, $15 for that. So I made a crazy flip. So this is like just something little. I don't even know I really had to show it off, but focus. It won't focus. There it is. So this was I just had to cop. Just some cheap, some simple. I wanted an actual Human Made keychain besides like the little button pusher that I got. So I decided to get this instead to add on to it. So 3 items down, 1 more to go. So we got 1 item left, and this shit is heavy, and this is Big Bertha. I'm gonna call this one Big Bertha, you feel me? But anyway, so let's get this thing cracked open. If you know what this is by the size of this box, some of y'all know what it is. Some of y'all don't know what it is. So let me crack this open. I'm gonna lay this on my bed while I open it, because I'm not gonna hold it and trying to crack this open. So hold up, of course. Gotta have a sleeve. There it is. Alright. Go ahead now. Dig in. Okie dokie. And what we have in the box is the 74 millimeter crate. This is the biggest crate that they released. I have the 50 and the 24 liter. And you get up close on those beats. Hold on, turn it down. Yep. As again, on the seal, it's a duck. And for the for the bubbles, again, it's the hearts. Dope ass attention to detail. Thank you, Nigo, for that. Good shit on the branding part. So crank that back up right there. So go ahead, this shit on. I'm trying to add to my crate collection. Just hit myself in the nuts trying to open it. Damn, it hurt. Ugh, just hit myself in the damn chin. God, boy. Okay, this shit is huge. Pause. So I'm gonna have like a size comparison with the other 2 crates that I got. But this is the one that I have right now. Good Lord. Thumbnail. There it is. So crack this bad boy on. I'm gonna do it like this right here. Bam. That's it. Now I gotta hold on. Damn. All right, here we go. Woo. Crate is put together. Yeah, this thing is huge. It's huge. Yeah. Huge. Yeah, this is way bigger than the other ones that I have. And I got another, I'm about to have 4 crates. I got another crate over there that's not gonna be open until my other shit come in because I'm still waiting. So this is the crate that I get at. The hell yeah. So another crate. This shit is huge. Yeah, y'all need to buy these crates. I don't think I paid like, how much did I pay? I forgot. But I decided to get this because this is like the only item that they dropped that Friday, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was the only thing that they dropped. And something else, I can't remember what it was. But yeah, this sold out probably in about 5 minutes. And I was debating on buying another one, and I was like, nah, this one should be enough. Again, yeah, this shit is huge. I think, yeah, 74 liters. Meaning the inside deep. So I'm gonna open it up. Yeah. So this is how deep it is. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pretty deep. Of course, I'm using this for storage. I'm trying to decide on what the hell I'm gonna put in this damn thing. Should I put my hats, resale shit? I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm putting in here, but some shit going in here so I can clean my room up a little bit. I got my hat rack, so I think I may put my package in here, my packages in this container, like my unboxing stuff. Like when I have unboxings coming, I just throw them items in here and just sit them in here out the way so they won't be laying around in my room. So yeah, that's what I'm using it for. Jesus, let me just put it on the floor. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please, again, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. It don't take that long just to hit the like button. If you're not logged in, just please log in your YouTube account and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell and leave a comment and let me know how you feel about my videos. Just let me know. Be honest. You don't have to be a dickhead about it. But just be honest and let me know how y'all feel about the videos, what I can improve on, what you like, don't like, shit like that. So, thank you all for watching. I'm out. Peace.